around a sewing circle. Come on in, make yourself comfortable. There's always one more seat available around our circle. Today, in my tutorial, we're going to learn how. Today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a rotary cutter case. And let me go ahead and get you started for our instructions. For the rotary cutter, I've got all that you'll need listed below in the description, but you'll need an 18 by 4 outer fabric, 18 by 4 inner fabric, a 3 by 4 and a quarter. This is the closure tab, and then you'll also need fusible fleece for the closure tab and fusible fleece for the outer fabric for your rotary cutter case. You also need a pair of scissors and your handy dandy Fiskars cutter, your cutting board, and your ruler. Okay, the first step, and it's always, the reason we're making this is because a lot of us travel with our sewing. We go to sewing circles like mine, or you go to the library for free classes, retreat, and when you leave your home, you should always have a traveling case for your cutter. You don't want to reach into your case and grab this and cut yourself. So that's what we're making today, is a rotary cutter case. The first step after you cut your fabric is fuse the fusible fleece onto the outer fabric and the closure tab. So I'll meet you over at the ironing board. First thing you want to do is lay out your fusible fleece. There's a smooth side on your fusible fleece, and there's a bumpy side. The bumpy side is glue. That needs to lay on the back side of your fabric, not the good side, the back side. Then you lay your fabric over it, smooth it out, and then we're going to iron it. It's actually pressing. You hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you move your iron down to the next spot, and you do this all the way down. Sorry about that, ladies. I just realized I didn't have my microphone on. I hope you can hear me. So back to what we were doing. This isn't a very long process. And once you get it all on there and you're satisfied, after you press it, then I'll go back over and iron it. And I'll verify that it did stick. Okay. Lay that aside. Now we're going to do the closure tab. Remember, bumpy side up, and you put it on the back side of your fabric. Line it up. If you don't line it up right, you're going to end up with glue on your iron, and that sucks. Ask me how I know. I'm hoping to teach you from my mistakes so you don't make the same mistakes I've made. Then we'll iron it out. The reason I iron it out is because I've got some marks on the bottom of my iron, which shows up on the fabric. So I like to iron those out before I sew. Okay, everything is attached. Now we go back to the cutting mat and prepare our fabric. Okay, we're back at my cutting board. Now we're going to prepare our fabric. First off, we'll take the closure tab, and we're going to fold it like a Wrigley's gum wrapper. You fold it in halfway, finger press it, fold this in halfway so they meet. Then you fold it again, just like that. That way all the raw edges are on the inside. Make sure your edges are lined up. My pins are downstairs in my other studio, so I will pin this there. We're going to lay that aside for a moment. We're going to get this ready. Now, this needs a rounded edge. I'm actually going to do it on this so you can see it better. I'm going to line, this is a perfect size. I don't know if you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up so it's even. I'm going to take a friction pin. A friction pin, where's the, it's a friction pin. This is actually a friction marker. And when you iron it, the line will disappear. The fact that I'm doing this on the opposite side, it won't matter because it'll be hidden inside. Okay. You can see my mark. Now we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut along that line I just made. We get a nice rounded edge. Let me smooth it out a little. Get a nice rounded edge.
Come on in, stay a while. Trade your troubles for a smile. Pull up a chair, rest your soul. We'll thread the needle nice and slow. Watch our sweet projects grow. Stitch by stitch and seam by seam, where every stitch tells a little story, and every friend is family. So come on in and stay a while.
The microphone keeps going on and off. That's no good. All right, we're going to iron this down. We'll iron it smooth. The inside layer, don't want it to show. See how I was able to push it over so you don't see it? Just manipulate the fabric. Now we're going to top stitch it. And for top stitching it, we're going to measure. Right about there is where we want it. Give me my microphone is giving me fits. I'm new to the microphone business, so bear with me. I think I'm supposed to plug it in and charge it, which I did not do. But you learn. I've only had the microphone. I think it was my second day. So I'm still learning. Please forgive me. Remember to push it. Go, ladies and gentlemen. My little sewing pouch for my rotary cutter. I love to see your project. Sewing cutter's in there. Nice.